Hello, good afternoon, everybody. My name is Vanessa Caroline Marquez, and today I will talk about Monpot, my native land. Monpot is located in the department of Bolívar, on the western margin of one of the arms of the Magdalena River. It is a quiet town. Its climate is hot. It's a very religious town. It's undeniably one of the most beautiful towns in Colombia, and preserves in its streets and the facade of its buildings. The Caleño memory and history has four squares that are San Francisco, Santa Bárbara, La Concepción, and Santo Domingo, in which you can enjoy a pleasant environment, whereas its streets are beautiful signs. They describe its colonial architecture, about all the Alvarada. In which you can enjoy the air and the beautiful landscapes on the banks of the river. Also has 6 churches, including a chapel that is located inside the central cemetery. Monpot is a town visited by tourists throughout the year, although 4 times of Holy Week is when more tourists come to visit these lands as this. We live with a love of faith and tradition. Thank you.